If you have an Apple Watch and you want to connect the Apple Watch to Wi-Fi without your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to connect Apple Watch to Wi-Fi without iPhone. So whether your iPhone is close by or not, you can easily connect your Apple Watch to your available Wi-Fi. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to connect Apple Watch to Wi-Fi without iPhone, all you just need to do is first, you want to make sure that your Apple Watch supports Wi-Fi. So, once you can confirm that, go ahead and open the settings app on your Apple Watch. On the settings page, you want to scroll down the page using the digital crown. Just keep scrolling until you get to Wi-Fi. Then you should see Wi-Fi, click on that. Now here, you're going to see all available Wi-Fi networks. You see that? So select the one you have the password to or access to use on your Apple Watch. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click on this under Choose Network. Click on that. Then you'll be prompted to type in the password. As well, you should see the pop on your iPhone, but because you don't want to use your iPhone to connect to Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch, you just need to just go ahead and type in the Wi-Fi password. So I'm just going to go ahead, carefully type in the Wi-Fi password and make sure you type the password correctly. Then once you are done, go ahead and click the join button at the top right and then hang on. And then once you have it here that the network is taken away from Choose Network and is available here, that shows your Apple Watch is now connected to the Wi-Fi. Then if you click on the control center button on your Apple Watch by the side, click on it once, then you're gonna see the Wi-Fi connected to the available Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch. So that is exactly how to connect Apple Watch to Wi-Fi without iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.